Tim McGraw unplugged tales, tunes, and twists you never knew. Imagine Tim McGraw strolling through a grocery store only to be mistaken for a local fitness instructor. Confused fans encouraged him to keep up the good work, leaving Tim amused and slightly flattered by the mix-up. Before his musical fame, Tim McGraw hit the books as a law student. This unexpected chapter in his life was short-lived, however, as the allure of country music proved too strong to resist. Tim McGraw's lineage is as interesting as his music. He's the son of famed MLB pitcher Tug McGraw, a fact that surprises many. This blend of athletic and musical genes clearly set the stage for Tim's diverse talents. Tim's first major break in music might have been aided by his unique yodeling skills, a talent not typically praised in country music. This quirky skill set, though underappreciated, eventually helped him stand out in Nashville. Tim's dedication to fitness has had its ups and downs, including a memorable gym fail when he mistook a complex machine for a simple treadmill, resulting in a comical yet harmless tumble. Tim McGraw's music videos are a treasure trove of laughter, especially when you peek behind the curtain. During the filming of one of his biggest hits, a prank involving a fake snake sent the entire crew into fits of laughter, capturing a hilariously startled Tim on camera. In a rather rib-tickling revelation, it turns out Tim McGraw has a peculiar fear of frogs. This fear came to light during an outdoor concert when a frog leapt near him mid-performance, causing an unexpected vocal improvisation. Tim's interactions with politicians as he advocates for music education often turn comedic. He once humorously noted that explaining the importance of music to tone-deaf politicians is like teaching dance moves to a statue, both perplexing and amusing. The world of antique guitars holds a special place in Tim's heart, but not every acquisition goes smoothly. He once excitedly won a supposedly rare guitar on eBay, only to receive a cheap replica, turning his excitement into a comical lesson in online shopping. Tim McGraw's songwriting process involves a quirky ritual with his old cowboy boots. He believes they bring him luck and creativity, often joking that the secret to hit songs might just be a good pair of worn-in boots. Tim McGraw once took a surprising detour from his country roots with a cameo on a popular soap opera. His performance was unexpectedly overdramatic, leaving fans both amused and slightly bewildered at his theatrical chops. In an effort to promote children's literacy, Tim once decided to read a rap song as a bedtime story. The result was a hilarious blend of hip-hop rhythms and fairy tale delivery, which left children giggling and parents chuckling. Tim McGraw's love for spicy food once led to a fiery pre-show incident. Moments before a live performance, he indulged in a particularly hot sauce, which left him scrambling for water mid-song, much to the audience's amusement. A collaboration between Tim McGraw and a well-known pop star resulted in not just a hit duet, but also a playful dispute over who wore the iconic cowboy hat better. The debate added a fun, competitive edge to their performance. Facing stage fright with humor, Tim McGraw has a unique coping mechanism: superhero underwear. Believing in the power of a good laugh and a bit of whimsy, he wears them under his stage clothes for a confidence boost. Tim McGraw's pre-concert rituals are a spectacle in themselves. Before hitting the stage, he conducts a series of vocal warm-ups that might sound more like farmyard noises than musical scales to the untrained ear. In his charitable endeavors, Tim McGraw once inadvertently launched a fundraiser. Intending to donate a signed guitar for auction, he ended up inspiring an impromptu bidding war among fans, raising unexpected thousands for music education. Tim's attempts to incorporate his dog into his musical act turned comical when he tried teaching his pooch to howl along with his songs. Despite his earnest efforts, the result was more whimper than melody, leaving audiences in stitches. Tim McGraw has significantly shaped modern country music, but comparing him to historical figures adds a humorous twist. Imagine him in a powdered wig, dueling banjos with Mozart, a funny picture that underscores his lasting impact. One evening, Tim found himself locked out of his own concert venue. This mishap occurred moments before he was due on stage, leading to a frantic search for keys while fans inside awaited his arrival. Tim McGraw's fashion influence extends beyond the stage, inspiring male fans to embrace their inner cowboy. His style sparked a humorous DIY cowboy hat tutorial that went viral, showcasing fans' creative yet questionable millinery skills. As a father, Tim McGraw has faced his fair share of parenting challenges, including teaching his daughters to drive. The experience was filled with light-hearted moments, especially when he confused brake and gas pedals, leading to harmless backyard chaos. Tim's unexpected appearance in a commercial became an unintended comedy hit. The ad, meant to be serious, featured Tim struggling with a prop that kept malfunctioning, turning the commercial into a blooper reel beloved by fans. During a casual meeting with a famous singer, Tim McGraw hilariously misheard the lyrics to one of their songs, leading to a comical exchange. This mix-up added a touch of humor to their first encounter, forging a memorable bond. Tim McGraw's secret talent for impressions often leaves his audience in stitches, especially when he attempts to mimic fellow country stars. Although his impersonations are far from perfect, they add a delightful layer of humor to his performances. Tim McGraw's foray into dance music might seem like a misstep, but it led to a memorable dance-off challenge. At a charity event, he surprised fans by battling a renowned choreographer, showcasing unexpected moves that had the audience roaring with laughter. During one unforgettable live show, Tim forgot the lyrics to a classic hit. Instead of panicking, he charmed the crowd by improvising lines that were so humorous, they ended up being more memorable than the original. Tim McGraw's approach to holiday traditions includes a unique Christmas Carol face-off. Every year, he challenges fellow country stars to a caroling contest, turning classic songs into hilarious renditions that delight fans and spread festive cheer. The debate over the real cowboy of country music reached a peak when Tim and a surprise guest starred in a playful televised debate. They compared hats, boots, and rodeo skills, providing entertainment with a hearty dose of country charm. Finally, for those who've enjoyed these tales of Tim McGraw's amusing escapades, there's more to see. Subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel for entertaining insights and a chance to see Tim in a light you've never seen before. Lastly, be sure to join the Music Educator community as we delve into the life and music of Tim McGraw, one of the most influential country artists of our time, as well as many famous and influential musicians. Also, don't forget to like and share for more music education content.